I do want to ask you about this story with Apple, and I think that's a piece of why the NASDAQ is actually selling off this morning. So they've struck this deal with chip design firm ARM. It goes through 2040, even beyond. It secures access to a core piece of intellectual property that is used in the iPhone and the Mac chips. Huge for ARM. Obviously, there's Apple down 3%. So ARM is set to debut on the NASDAQ in the next few weeks. The valuation could hit $52 billion. This would be the biggest tech IPO for sure this year, one of the biggest on record, likely. Ken, what do you make of this?
Well, definitely a surprise announcement, and good for them. And they're going to have a lot of IPO interest when it comes out. In fact, all the big players looking to buy a piece of them and form some type of alliance. But $52 billion, I think, is probably going to be north of that after this type of announcement. And as far as Apple being down and so forth, Tim Cook's done a terrific job pivoting around this supply chain mess because of China, because of administration. They find themselves sourcing in Cambodia, Vietnam, India, and so forth. And here now a contract with ARM. But for ARM coming out in a couple of weeks, good timing for them to have a pretty good tailwind coming in. But what it says in general, by the way, it's nice to see the IPO market function. Really, for most of this year, the naysayers have been really correct about this has not been a really strong year to bring companies public. And maybe this could be maybe a start of getting some more momentum of companies coming public again.
Well, but we were talking about ARM earlier, and then also Instacart. So we've got a couple at least. Right. We shall see. Ken Mahoney, it's good to see you.